Hey everybody, it's Michael with GrassFlap here. We're at the office today and we got a brand new Wright ZK Gen 3 and we put a GrassFlap on it. So this is the same GrassFlap that we use for our Gen 2s. As you know, it's got an all steel metal plate, no drill mounts for the aero core deck. The only difference with this one is how you route the cable. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. So we've got the cable coming off the spring mount here. It makes a slight bend to this deck arm that's right here. We took a magnetic zip tie, which comes with the kit, zip tied it to that, had it going straight up on the inside of this hose here. And then once we get to this peak, we go straight down. And if you come to this side, we've got it coming out the right-hand side. And if you notice here, we've got a nice, straight, smooth line. We mounted the pedal into the middle, so you put both feet on each side. You can put it on the right or the left, whatever your preference is. Just try not to bend the pedal itself so you don't have any sharp turns here. This way is gonna increase your longevity of the cable. Other than that, same actuation as our other products, fully open with your foot off the pedal, fully closed with your foot off the pedal. And so we have these available on our website at grassflap.com. So go ahead and grab yourself one, and as always, keep on flapping.